In this video, we are going to demonstrate the steps to prevent your Instagram account from being suggested to others. Now let's dive right into it, guys. There might be instances when you'd prefer your account not to appear as a suggestion for other users. Let's take a proactive approach and disable this feature. It's important to note that we can't achieve this change within the Instagram app itself. Instead, we'll be using a web browser. Don't worry, this method is compatible with any kind of mobile device. First and foremost, close the Instagram app you're using. Then open your preferred browser. In the URL bar, type instagram.com and hit the Enter key. Voila, you're now on the Instagram website within your browser. Ensure that you're logged into your Instagram account. If you're already logged in, that's fantastic. Next, navigate to your profile. To do this, click on the profile icon situated in the lower right corner. Once you're on your profile page, locate and click on the Edit Profile option, positioned to the right of your profile picture. Scroll down the page until you reach the bottom. There, you'll spot an option labeled Show Account Suggestions on Profile. This particular setting determines whether similar account suggestions are visible on your profile, as well as whether your account can be suggested on other users' profiles. If this setting is activated, your account might be suggested. To prevent this, simply deselect the checkbox. Once you've done that, go ahead and click the Submit button. With this action, your account will no longer be suggested. And that wraps it up. You can now switch back to using the Instagram app as usual. If you found these instructions valuable, I'd really appreciate it if you could show your support by giving them a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up.